Hi, this is Bob with New Age Industrial. Today I want to talk about pallets, specifically aluminum pallets. New Age is probably the #1 manufacturer in the USA of aluminum pallets. We sell thousands of these, and I'm going to show you why. First of all, this is what we start with. We start with primary aluminum. We shoot it out. We make all these different shapes. Everything you see here, from this 3x1 to this 2x2 tube that's got a heavier wall to make it stronger, to this little angled beam across here so you can run your forklift or hand jacks across it. So it's very easy to roll under and roll out. That's what we're trying to do, is make your life better. This is a completely sealed pallet. If you look at it, all the seams are sealed up. Beautiful welds here all the way around. We do offer it with a center runner down the middle of it. It's not needed. It still has the same load capacity. Right now you have a 5,000 pound load capacity and then 30,000 load capacity. This pallet is UV resistant, fire retardant, and metal detectable. You're not going to get that in a plastic pallet. This is a tube frame pallet all the way around. You're not going to use this in a meat or food processing area. That's going to be this pallet here, and I'll talk about that in a minute. This will be used in an area that the goods are already packaged up, where there's no contaminants or anything, and they can put them on here. It's going to be in a closed loop system. The pallets would get stolen otherwise if you set them outside. Down below here is our channel pallet. This is an open channel underneath here. It's hard for you to see that. So there's easy to clean for an FDA type pallet. There's an open channel over here, so it's easy to clean. Everything on this pallet is all open. So it can be sanitized, it can be stacked on top of each other. It has a rib right here, so when you do stack them, they kind of lock together and you can go up in them. This is, again, a 40x48 pallet. You need customs, we can do it. If you want changes on some of these bullnose ends, we can do that also. Again, it's primary aluminum. It's never going to rust. We guarantee that. I want to show you some customs. This is that same pallet here that we just talked about. This customer wanted us to put some brass fittings in here, and they wanted to mount their equipment to it, so it stayed on here all the time. Then they could pick it up with a forklift, whatever, and move it around. Just some different ideas for you guys to think about. We also have some pallets. This is a little mini pallet right here, but this has plate runners on the bottom, and we can do that on this if you want it. If you want it to be open, you can see the plate on the bottom. What's kind of fun about this, we've gotten a lot of attention with people because they're lower in height and they're looking for ways to get them out of the grease and grime in maybe a meat processing facility or something. So we offer this with a mini pallet. You can put a frame on there. You can stand on that. This is miniaturized. Again, it would be bigger than this, but you won't slide off. It gives you the opportunity to get up to easier ergonomic place on the workplace. We do offer this now in a 1-inch, 2-inch, 4-inch, 6-inch, and 8-inch height. So when you're ready to look for pallets, please call us at New Age Industrial. Thank you for your time.